Kani kedai bati CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ringkat lang bat ke Perthai Barok Away, ke Office Jong District Medical and Health Officer ke Ribhoi District, lengba ke District Mental Health Program. Haga shipau tarik bunai nailor arajar arpo, kalarakhi ya ke sengi kerpang, balatip kum ke World Suicide Prevention Day, ya ke balapenlong ha Science Hall nongpo, da ke jing ang not ban ai jing hikai syakipait ba, ban penduna ya ke jing jaba songsi, haka baki briu ki ba jendong ke jing mut jing perkhat, ki jupen kut yala ke jing im, klempat daipor, tang namar ba ki ya kendu jing ha ke jing im ke jongki. Hagani gasngi lai shimenta dau Additional Superintendent of Police jong ke Ribhoi District uba PCM uba longkum kongsan harengkat ke jingi sakhi lang jong Joint Director ke Tenat Education uba VS Nongbet ke District Social Welfare Officer ke Kong J Umdor ki Asha bat ki khot ke Seng Samla Nongpo bat yakani ke jing rakhi la penyai dau Dr. M Mauri District Medical and Health Officer ke Ribhoi District.
World Suicide Prevention Day, which is being observed every 10th of September. As you know, this program has been materialized today because of the presence of the District Mental Health Program. This District Mental Health Program in our district, Ribhoi, is still immature. It has been started just just more than 1 year back, I think. But in this very short term, they have done lots in bringing different activities to the people of our district.
Born ki commit suicide, lani ki penyak yo la ya no elade. Nama bagi don pedeng jong gejing ka boom shamlap shu kalak kelanti. Lani ko ba ong ikasi daktil khasi ko ba ong bandala poi hata ka jing dum dengim ta mo ko jing dum ko ba ka pa kal poi ka khudla sampai ki wei pat ki khasi namar bakim sula sha ka jing pam ko ba don ka met ke jongki don ru ki ba khasi lagi namar ba ka fail ke jing ba ki be kiway part namar ng hako ka depression henry bon na ginehi kanlat bagi babon ki bapan gutno ila jong jingim ide ito ki batan ke jingpang on na gano henry ki ba shate amrao kinegi jingbang ki basneo kung ka kiat kung ki drugs but kiway part ay katakan long kumagalang mereka moto jongi hagane ka or governmenta galang working together to prevent suicide ya trailang baniada ya gane gajing penyap dalade yalade life of snemi image line ngakan mau hagane ka society jongi ikasi kipna kiboy kiwa Kani kejing punya dalade yalade kalong dapat guna apa kata. Nila orang berlong nil. Henry ini senampat. Yoi bagane kejing ke snail. Kalau nam roy kalau nam kiu straight adu kata. Tang hagale ke disagree boy joni. Kalau ke population ke guna ha. Muslim belade kiu adu arpon yung celi kis. Day the suicide, mental snap down ne ubnai gila koi arpo teligi ke. Kumalaon, makamoto mentaga singi gede, bangin ya trailang bania tangai yang gede gejing penyap nalade yalade. Ngatip syai kedar bat pitip syai kedar ru. Magalong mga shibun bania da ya uno breu lane kano breu kibla tumu ban penyam dalade yalade ngabuk ya gane kejing keli yang hilang baro lana uno breu utmu ban penyam no yalade atau yang ban bat hatong ilak ban yada, hatong ilak ban protect you, arpo salbanta ban med si, and it's next to impossible.